Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Settings, so press Win+I now. Once done, make sure you've created a restore point to revert changes if needed. This protects system settings. Next, navigate to Personalization taskbar immediately and keep that pane visible. You're preparing the environment and capturing a safety snapshot so any tweak can be reversed. Don't skip that. Now confirm Windows is up to date and you have admin rights. Those two prerequisites prevent permission errors when you change alignment, corner icons, and behavior. You're in the Personalization taskbar area. Start by toggling visible icons and corner icons so the tray looks how you want. Once done, expand taskbar behaviors to change alignment to left or center and enable auto hide or show badges. If you need more customization, use the taskbar corner overflow menu to move icons in or out. Make adjustments one at a time and observe the desktop. Small changes let you judge layout and space without losing familiar controls or breaking workflow. If the settings UI doesn't expose what you need, you may edit the registry, but export the relevant key first so you can restore it. Once edits are made, restart Windows Explorer or sign out to apply changes immediately. Make sure to use sensible names and restart Explorer via Task Manager. That avoids a full reboot. If something goes wrong, run SFC and DISM to repair system files, then reboot. That single troubleshooting step often resolves broken taskbar behavior without drastic recovery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.